In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter products in WooCommerce. This will help improve your customers' shopping experience by making it easier for them to find exactly what they're looking for. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard. You can find this on the left-hand side, and once you hover over it, a menu will appear. Click on Editor to access the tools necessary to customize your shop's layout. Now that you're in the editor, locate your shop page or the template associated with it. Once you've opened this, you'll be able to see your current layout and prepare to enhance it by adding new filtering options. These filters will help streamline the shopping experience by allowing customers to sort through products based on their preferences. On the top left, you'll notice a plus button. Click this to add new blocks to your layout. You'll see a search bar where you can find different types of filters suitable for your store. Type in Filter by Price to add a block that lets customers filter products according to their budget range. This is particularly useful for those who are shopping with a specific price point in mind, allowing them to quickly narrow down their options without having to manually scan through each item. Next, search for and add a Filter by Attributes block. Attributes might include things like color, size, or brand. Basically, any characteristic that can help identify and categorize your products more specifically. This kind of filter is great for stores with vast product variations and is especially helpful for customers with specific product requirements. Once you've done that, go ahead and look for a Filter by Stock block. This filter allows customers to see only products that are currently in stock, which is crucial for making the shopping process efficient and frustration-free. Imagine being able to zero in on what's readily available so customers don't get their hopes up for something that's out of stock. The last block you'll want to add is the Filter by Rating option. Adding this filter will enable shoppers to view products based on customer feedback and reviews, which can be a compelling way to influence purchasing decisions. After you've added all these necessary filter blocks, think about where they should be positioned on your page for easy accessibility. Generally, placing them in a sidebar or at the top section of your shop layout tends to work best. This way, they're in a prime spot for users to quickly interact with them. And finally, don't forget to save your layout. This crucial step ensures that all your hard work is preserved, and the filters will be live the next time customers visit your store. And that's all there is to it. With these product filters in place, you'll create a streamlined, user-friendly shopping experience that can significantly enhance customer satisfaction. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.